Now get rupees 50 pay as a Paytm cashback by just uploading your JEE Main 2017 scorecard on the link described below in the description. Hi guys, welcome to Tag My College. So in this video, I'm going to cover about the VIT EEE counseling of 2017. So it's about the Vellore Institute of Technology, which has declared the result of Vellore Institute of Technology Engineering Entrance Exam, which is also called as VIT EEE. Now the website of VIT EEE has released the counseling details of the VIT admission. The candidates who have qualified the VIT EEE 2017 till year 99,999th rank can attend the counseling schedules from your 11 May to your May 15. So this is about the counseling of VIT EEE. Moving ahead, we have the counseling schedule over here. That is there will be two phases. That is the counseling will be done in the two phases. Phase 1 for the students, for the candidates who have secured rank till 20,000. That is 20,000 ranked. Those who have secured, they will be having conducted. They will come under the phase 1 ranking, whereas the phase 2 will hold up the other remaining students. So phase 1, talking about the phase 1 counseling. Phase 1 counseling will be held from 10th May to 12th May, and the rank, that is from 1 to 8,000, will be called off on 10th May, and from rank 8,000 to 8,001 till 14,000 will be called for the counseling on 11th May, and rank from 14,000 to 1 till 20,000, candidates holding to rank till 20,000 will be called on May 12th. So this was the first phase 1 ranking, phase 1 counseling of your VIT EEE, followed by the phase 2, which will basically be conducting the remaining ones, that is from 20,001 to 25,000, which will be held from May 15 to 22nd of May entirely. And following are the ranks, that is from 25,000 of 1 till 40,000 on 16th May, and followed on. So these are the ranking schedules being out by the VIT EEE website. That is, this is available on your website. The website said that VIT EEE 2017 rank holders between 1 to 99,999 are eligible to attend the counseling for admission in Vellore, Chennai, Bhopal and VIT Andhra Pradesh. So this was the VIT EEE 2017 ranking schedule I've just covered. Now, as the ranking schedule is out, the people who fall into such ranks have to attend, they will be attending the counseling schedule for your VIT itself. So I have the methods, I have the steps how to follow up the registration process. That is, first, in order to go for the counseling of VIT EEE, you first have to register yourself. Just register yourself on the official website of VIT EEE. There will be a separate registration process for the counseling of 2017. So with that, candidates will be informed through SMS about the schedule of your VIT EEE's counseling 2017. Candidates are required to visit the counseling centers with the present documents, and do not forget to carry your admit card as well. So slot and day wise schedule for the vacant seats have been updated on VIT website. You can check through that. In the previous slide also I have defined that is the rank wise scheduling of the VIT EEE seats. Now the date and time, see guys, date and time of the VIT EEE counseling of 2017 will not get changed under any circumstances. So in case a student or in case a candidate fails to reach the center, his seat will be offered to the next candidate in order of your permit. So this is the mandate rule, rule followed by the VIT authorities itself. So do not miss this counseling as per your rank schedule at any cost. But in special cases, if some examiner is not able to participate in the counseling of 2017 personally on the specified date and time, then he can appear for the counseling on the subsequent date and time. So there will be a subsequent date and time given to you. For that, you have to inform the VIT EEE 2017 office in this regard. And secondly, the candidate has to accept whichever branch is available at that time. So there is no other option. There will be a list of the branches available and the seats available in that particular branch. You have to accept that branch whatsoever the condition is in such cases. So apart from that, as I said, it's very mandatory to carry the counseling admit card. It can be obtained from your VIT website about the declaration of your VIT EEE 2017 result. and candidate should fill in the details and keep a copy for the rest of the process. So candidate should be present at the allotted center and time for the counseling as per the rank I have stated. According to the candidate's rank, his identity and documents will be verified, and then the candidate must enter his digital signature as assurance of being preserved of the counseling. So the selected candidates must submit a DD of rupees 50,000 drawn in the favor of VIT University, which is payable at Vellore. This fee is to be submitted only on the confirmation of the admission to the branch allotted to this candidate. The counseling process fee is 10,000 and it is non-refundable. It will be adjusted in the tuition fee when the candidate joins the university. So you need not have to worry about the 10,000 you will be paying for the counseling, because it will get adjusted once you have taken admission in that VIT EEE. So later talking about the seats, the number of the seats available and the list of the branches will be displayed on the screen, and the candidate must fill in his choices for securing a seat. So a seat will be allotted to the aspirant in accordance with his rank and choice. If he or she confirms to pay the seat, the advance fee should be submitted. So that was the basic instructions related to your VIT, that is following from the registration, carrying the admit card, checking out the slot of the schedule, then the DD of 50,000 on the seat you have provided or on the seat you have logged for your career. So that was the simple instruction. Moving ahead, once you have done, there must be documents required, like that is candidate must submit or present the documents for verification in original along with the 2 photocopies at the specified VIT EEE counseling center. So any candidate without these documents cannot participate in the counseling process. The list of the documents is VIT EEE 2017 e-admit card. There must be an admit card allotted to you with which reference you have given the exam, so you need to have that admit card in your hand. Then comes the counseling admit card. This is provided once you have registered for the counseling on the website. Then comes the scorecard. This is the result I am talking about. Then comes the caste certificate if it is applicable, then followed by a nativity certificate, which is for the candidates hailing from your Jammu and Kashmir, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland. So followed by the demand draft of 50,000, which will be paid advance in order to lock up your seat, and followed by the proof of birth, which could be a birth certificate, class 12th mark sheet or certificate, or the Aadhaar card, which is quite mandate. Now followed by the 12th mark sheet if applicable. That is while the counseling process is going on, by that time if your 12th mark sheet is available, the results are out, then definitely you can provide them or you can submit out it later on. So followed by the physical fitness certificate as well. That is, you need to submit this physical fitness certificate. This also comes in the documents required over here. So these are the documents required once you have done, or once you are going for the VIT EEE counseling of 2017. This was the general information. Moving ahead, there are some important guidelines which you should not forget. See, the information has already been updated on the official website of VIT, so do not dare to miss that notifications and do not miss that dates. And the selection of the candidates and the admission to various courses will be followed through a single window of counseling. So the number of the shortlisted candidates is more than the number of the available seats due to the number of the absentees. Now the qualification of a candidate and the attending the counseling process does not guarantee him a seat. That is, if you are attending a counseling process, this may not guarantee a seat. There are other certain parameters which will guarantee a seat. So the number of seats available will be displayed at the counseling center. That is, you would be given a choice on which branch you will be choosing out. So based on that availability of seats, the candidate will then be allotted a branch particularly. So if the candidate is not able to attend the counseling on the specified day and time, as I said, he can do that on a subsequent day after informing the authorities. Do not forget to inform the authorities but in such a case the candidate cannot claim a course he could not have been given in the original, because sometimes it happens when you are taking the VIT authorities permission to attend the subsequent counseling, then you have to opt a course which is available at that time. You won't be given a choice at that time of period. So that is the case, that is the loophole, that is the case in where you have not attended the actual counseling. So to get your desired branch, I suggest you not to miss the counseling at the very first only. Next thing I'll talk about is the number of the available seats for each branch after the admission will get updated as the counseling proceeds. So that all information will be available on your VIT website itself. And one more thing, like if the candidate has not received the mark memo of the qualifying exam, like I'm talking about the 12th exam board, so he will be signing up an undertaking which if he fails, his seat will be surrendered. See guys, I suggest you report to the counseling centers in advance, because there won't be any change of time or date for the counseling which has been given or allotted to you. So in order not to miss that counseling, I suggest you you should attend it on time. Do not miss it, because even if you attend it later on, you won't be provided with the choice of the branch you will be hailing upon. So these were the simple instructions which you should consider while you are giving or while you are sitting for the counseling of your VIT EEE of 2017. So to know more about our updates, please do not forget to subscribe us as Tag My College. Till then, keep subscribing, keep commenting and keep liking.